I'm Phil, and we are the Ring Family Farm.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ring Family Farm.
Yep, sorry it took a little while to get a video out here with the rain and the snow and everything. We've been behind. We've had a lot of water out here. I think 13, 14 inches somewhere of rain and snow that we've had out here. So we're wet. I can't imagine what the farmers are going through right now. So let's everybody pat a farmer on the back and say thank you for everything they're doing right now. Our farm is a swamp. I can't imagine having to drive a tractor through it. But anyway, so we've gotten quite a bit done here at the farm so far over the last few days, plus draining water. We're going to walk around. We're going to kind of show you what all we got done and then kind of show you the battles we've been working on.
Brittany, what are we doing today? We are starting on the pole barn. We're sweating, we're carrying quickcretes, and we're doing a lot of moving of lumber, but mostly watching the guys work hard.
All right, guys, we finished the framing of the lodge. As you can see, it is square. It is true. We did a good job. A lot of work, a lot of mud, a lot of quickcrete. It was a chore. No blood, no broken bones, so that was a win. But we got it all framed up. We'll let the quickcrete cure, and then we'll start with the rafters and putting all that up. So yeah, big win today. Got her halfway down the new lodge. All right, guys, where are we heading? To the lodge. As you can see, we're walking in soup. Again, this is the rain, the water, everything that we deal with here right now. There is a lot of water, a lot of soup, and it is mucky. As you can see, we had a car come in here, and that wasn't good. There is nice big ruts here. It got stuck. All part of it. Just think now, if that was a big combine or tractor, how deep that would have went for just a little pickup went sinking like that. Here we're coming up to the lodge, and there it is. Look at this. It's coming quite along, isn't it, guys? Yeah. So all we got left to do is put the rafters on and put some tin around it. Add a couple more windows. Excuse me, I gotta walk through the water here. There's a ton of it. Oop, I almost slipped and fell. Here we go. Here's the building. Here's the front door. All right, guys, give us a tour. Welcome to the lodge. Careful when you go in. There's lots of mud and water. It is very soupy.
Watch your step.
Yeah, watch your step coming in. All right, we are now in the new lodge. You can see the ceilings. Guys, what do you got? What are you thinking? Do you like the new lodge?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice and big. 24 by 40.
Over here in this corner right there is where the cash register is gonna go.
The cash register will be right over here.
Perfect.
All right, Johnny, what else are we doing
Yep.
here? We got lots of room now.
The reindeer food will be over there.
Reindeer food.
Yeah, so you'll be able to make your own.
Make your own reindeer food.
Yes.
It'll have some magic in it, and it'll have some
reindeer oats, I think we got.
Reindeer oats.
We have reindeer minerals.
Yep, reindeer minerals.
And then reindeer magic flying dust we got in.
Yep.
So then they can make the food that when Santa comes, that's what they eat.
Yep.
You leave it outside in the snow.
Yep. So you guys get to make some reindeer food. It'll be over here.
Yep. And then right about in here where we got a fireplace we're putting in. A wood burning stove will be here to help heat, right guys?
Yep.
Yep. Other than that, that's about where we're at. We just need rafters, we need tin, and Christmas spirit yet to fill it up, right? Yeah. All right, guys, we are all set with the baler. We're gonna draw straws. I have the straws to see who's gonna go through the baler. We got 4 straws, there's 4 of us. Whoever gets the shortest straw will go through first, and then the next one, and then the next one, okay? Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay, let's go. Mommy will go first. Okay, Izzy. Oh, Juddy. Okay, hold them up. Who's going first? Oh, looks like Brittany's going, and then Izzy, then Johnny, and then me. I don't know if I'll fit through it, but and if I do get stuck in there, nobody's gonna be able to pull me out. All right, here we go. All right, Mom's gonna go first. All right, climb right up there. Here we go. Baler, Brittany. Okay, you ready? Come on, Izzy. You gotta help push her through.
Great.
Okay, keep going, Mom. Keep going. Push. We got her. We got her. We got her. Who's next?
Me.
We didn't bring any scissors.
No scissors. No scissors.
Come on, Izzy, get in here.
No.
Get in there. Johnny, who's going?
Izzy.
Get in there, Izzy.
I feel like a Christmas tree. Who wants to bring me home?
Come on, let's go.
Bring me home. No, I don't like
Hey, yeah, come on, hurry up. You gotta go quick.
No.
It's like a time machine.
Daddy, I'm getting caught. Daddy, bring me. Daddy, and that's another 6
Roll in here.
Okay.
Don't fall off the edge.
There we go. They're all bundled up. Here we go. Look at that. Everybody's bundled up. All right, guys. We'll see you in the morning. See you later. Have a good night. Merry Christmas.
I busted through.
Are you busted? Can you get through?
Ow.
Fight through. Come on. First one that gets out gets a snow cone. Uh-oh. Johnny's going backwards. That's no fair. Izzy. As you can see too, look at the baler, all done. Look at it, nicely mounted on the table. Colorful green and red baling twine. And Izzy is still stuck in there.
Go. Wait, where's the...
All nice and completed.
Dad,
All right, guys, that's another week or couple of weeks of Ring Family Farm. Again, sorry for the delay. We don't expect snow in October and that much rain, do we, guys? That is a lot of rain and a lot of snow. So, Izzy, what do you got?
make sure you subscribe and ring the bell.
Yeah. Johnny,
Don't forget to like us and share us with your friends.
share us with your friends.
And thanks for tuning in for another fun week.
Another good week. What else were you gonna do? What do we think? What should we should do something fun, I think.
I know.
Yeah.
We could do the go-kart.
Oh, we could do the go-kart. Well, how about we give us maybe give something away next week?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll give
Yes.
something away. Stay
great
tuned.
giveaway.
The great giveaway of 2019. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you next week. Have a great
Thank
week.
you.
Thank you. Bye.